either. So fuck y'all hating for no reason.
Here's a weekly chart of the S&P. I still see a channel going up. Channel hasn't been broken. You can stretch those lines to show that it's been broken and that the doji formed this past week, the last bar right here. But also keep in mind that we found resistance at the, it's a weekly chart, so I got a 40-week moving average, which is equivalent to a 200-day moving average. So it found resistance there. So we had a red bar, it was downtrend, and now it kind of went up, found support, resistance there, and then it closed down about pretty much where it opened. So this shows a sign of weakness, and also right here shows weakness for the first time since the March 9th rally. It's crossed over in the last week or two, and it's pointing down, looking like it's going to go down. So there seems to be some weakness, and we have to see what unfolds. Monday being a holiday, next week could be real slow. Could be opposite this week. Usually what is understood by the market is if it's a bull market, or let's say the market's going up, that the week that you have a holiday, the market comes, the stocks do opposite, and because on low volume. But recently it's been going up on low volume week after week. So has me think, makes me think, maybe we may follow what is done before, or maybe this week it'll come down, and could be, since everybody's talking about it coming down, and it could fake out to come down and go back up. But I have other charts to look at, so let's just analyze this and analyze another one real quickly. And then, so on a 60-minute chart, here's a 60-minute chart with my proprietary moving average right here. It's found us resistance, over the last few days on 60-minute bars at that point. Not saying can't go through like it did here and went all the way up, but there's a head and shoulders formation. There's a right shoulder, head, left shoulder, and here's the neckline, the pink one. Now it's found support here 3 times already. 4 times possibility will crack. If it does, goes down, it may come back up to find resistance. So saying we got 4 days, I totally believe we can have a bad Tuesday, to make people think the market's going down, and then lift back up to find support, resistance at that line, and then really do its trick and the market come back down to 840. MACD is, if you really want to be precise, the MACD is bearish, definitely still bearish. On 60 minutes is bearish because it's under the zero line, center line, which is right here, and it's under that, and it's got also with it a bearish crossover where the red line is above the blue if you zoom in real closely. So here's my prediction for that. So let's look at one more chart. Here's a daily chart with the moving averages of 200-day moving average. We got the 13-day, which is lime green. We got the blue right here, which is 20-day, usually on an uptrend or downtrend. It's healthy for a stock to hit its moving average to bounce off of it. But as we can see, we've never breached it yet since the March 9th close. Once it's gone above that, it's only found support there, here, Here you could say, here definitely lift it back up, but now this time here, finally, last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, it has came under and stayed under, and actually as it peaked Thursday, it was brought down right under it. Here's a candle I have to analyze. It looks like an inverted, maybe it looks like inverted spinning top, you know, or maybe an inverted, yeah, inverted spinning top, I guess I can say. Another thing to watch it closely is right here. This right here. If you look at this pink line that I have. Here's your support. Even though it seems like it's going in a channel, this 5186 right here has never been since March 9th lows. The last time you can see, if you draw a line right here at the bottom of this part, just to see where it was at, that was 5107. So 5107 is lower than it is today, or as it closed last. But if you look, it's never been ever that low. The last time it was that low was right here, and this one is 5127. So we're 5126. So we got two of them that are pretty low, so it's really close to that. If this RSI crosses under 50, then we're going to probably have a sell-off, and that could yet to be to fold out, like I said. And if it goes down, and 840s is what I said. If you look at a daily chart, look at the 50-day moving average, it's hovering about 850. I would say 850. So 840 could be a little off. 850 is where it could be. So 840 to 850 could be the downward side to it. So I'm gonna look over this and figure something out. Maybe I can draw. Here's a support line that seems pretty strong. Alright, that's it for the video. I'll be back to do more.